Hello everyone and welcome back to my morning pot analysis videos on Friday the 30th of November with me, Richard Permark, analyst at Hantec Markets. Going to look at euro dollar now, which again rallied yesterday. 2 days in a row where we've seen positive candles coming through on euro dollar. In the wake of those comments from Jerome Powell, which were perceived to be dovish and potentially sort of meaning that the market would need to rein back in on its expectations of rate hikes through 2019. Subsequently, we've seen euro dollar rising as the dollar's turned a little bit corrective, and that outlook is now sort of eyeing a test of this downtrend channel once more. You've got key overhead resistance area though, but with the fact that you've got the downtrend channel that comes in around 1410 today. You've got the overhead resistance of the 1430 pivot. You've also got the reaction high at 1472. So I think that this is a key sort of band of resistance overhead that the market will need, euro dollar will need to get through in order to show sustainable improvement. You've got the momentum indicators which are ticking higher though. Stochastics and MACD lines are both higher. RSI sort of hit 50 this morning, just rolled over a touch as the negative candle or slightly negative candle has come through today, but I still think that this is sort of on the brink, really, sort of crossroads. Not entirely convinced which way it's going to be able to move yet, and I think it could be the outcome from the G20 meeting on a near-term basis, which drives a bit of sentiment through euro dollar. But you can see here that actually if you get through the resistance overhead 1470, that sort of starts to form potential for a head and shoulders reversal, a base pattern going on there. So it is a key moment, I think, for euro dollar, this downtrend channel, and as I said, if you can break through it, you can start to see the prospect of more of a sustainable recovery. It's just that it is key resistance overhead now. 14 big figure has been the high of the last couple of sessions, and that is obviously a marker very near term. See here on the hourly chart as the market just rolls back a touch. Momentum indicators on the hourly sort of slightly positively configured, or not really excessively positive, but certainly suggests that today the market has lost a bit of momentum in the move higher. But I wouldn't necessarily say that that's going to be the beginnings of a turn low. You've got that higher low now at 1265, and the market will be looking at sort of 113 figure as well as being an area that could be supportive. So it's an interesting time for euro dollar. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I'll speak to you later.